And good morning, Nana's little niblets. How are we all today? It's unboxing with Nana Newf. None of this is sponsored as usual. And today we are going to do from the pet shop. It's called Arcade Pet Shop, and these are little tattoos. And you can collect them all. There's 4 in each little ball. They're 4D tattoos. They come alive with your app that you download the game, and they come alive and you can play with them on a game. It's actually kind of cute. I'm going to see about what it's all about and see what they do, but we're going to see what kind of cute little tattoos we're going to get today. Now these are probably going to be for like 5 and over or 3 and over. I'll check, but you're going to have to use sharp object to cut them open. I'm not exactly sure what that is there, but okay. So we'll just put this like this. I don't know why where that's coming from. Oh, that's the shadow from the camera. Good Lord. No, it's not. Okay. Where are you coming from? You're coming from somewhere. I have a shadow, and it's my camera. So I'm going to try to box it right in this area so that we can see what they are. So we got 9 of these little guys to open up. See, they come in a little ball like this. Oh, this is not going to be good. I gotta move that shadow because it's too much of a... Here. Let's try it like this. Okay. So we have their Arcade Pet Shop Fantasy Tattoos. Arcade Pet Shop Fantasy Tattoos. Alright, well, let's get into these and see what they are. Now these here I'll just donate. Probably my little comfort boxes for little tattoos for kids. And if you want to donate or purchase any of my unboxings, which will be up on my eBay or on the Facebook, you can message me. I'll just add some pictures up there for anything that's going to be for sale. So let's get into this, and hopefully there's no perforations. So this is, yeah, they're for 3 and up. So these are for 3 and up. Oh my gosh. Definitely going to have a little knife or something to get these open, because definitely. There. Alright, so got one off. These a little hard to get open, but it's okay. Alright, oop, there we go. Alright, so you open up your little ball. Alright, and then here's our little tattoos. So you just put them on like your regular tattoos. You put them on, you add some water, and then you stick them on. There's our first one. I wonder if we're going to get any doubles. Ooh, this one's pretty. This one's pretty. It's got like little hearts. Ooh. Dream. This is Dream. Pretty. Oh, I did get a unicorn one. Nice. I did get a nice little unicorn. There. I'm guessing this is the collection paper. Oh, it is too. You get all these little guys. So you get a collection paper of all the guys and tattoos you can get. And then you get your code and everything on the back side here. You just you download the app, then you put your phone over your tattoo, and then it comes to life. And you can play with it that way. Alright, so let's see how many of these we're going to have for doubles. These are kind of cute. I like them. They're very nice. Yep. Definitely going to need somebody to help you with these for 3 and up. They're in there pretty good. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see where next ones are here. Ba-ba-boom. Oh, cute. They're so realistic. They're very realistic. Two fishes. Oh, my goodness. Very bright colors. An iguana. I'm gonna look like a zoo. Oh, oh, look at this. It's a kitty. It's pretty. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, my goodness. Look at these. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, maybe I can do a little giveaway or something. I would love to. I'll figure something out for that. Okay, here's a collection card. See what's in ball number 3. Let us see what's in ball number 3. I think I have 9. They charged me for 10, but you know what? They were only 50 cents each. My niblets are worth it. Alright, so let's see what's next. So, there's our little collection page. Oh my gosh. It's like 101 Dalmatians. I don't even want to use these. Oh, they're so cute. You almost want to just put them in a book. I really got to start my sticker collection book with you guys because I have lots that I want to get organized and put together, and you guys can see the stickers I collect. Look at the otter. Like, look at the detail in these things. Oh, little baby oars. Look at the little baby oars. Oh my gosh. So put him over here with the unicorn. Look at your fat little chubby cheeks. I have a mouse in my house, and you know what? I don't think he's that fat. Well, he might be, but he's not that cute. Alright, let's see what's in ball number 3 or 4. There. I remember all the profits that I get from selling anything on eBay or through Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat or Twitter or anything like that. All proceeds go towards me building up and making boxes for trauma victims. There's our collection plate. So if you'd like to donate or if you'd like to buy any of these unboxings, just message me on Facebook or any of my social media. There's a nice little guy. He's Art Gerald. He's like, I'm going to get that dragon, which is right here. This is the dragon he's going after. Oh, these are some cute tattoos. Oh, I like this one. People who like dolphins would love this one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at this fairy. I love her. Oh my goodness. Look at the fairy. I love her. Goodness. Nana Newf's got to do up her nails. I might do my nails today. I do not know. Alright, so next one. So far we got 2 guys. We got 2 fairy people coming after us. Alright, let's see what's next. Let's see who's next. Dun, dun, dun. Boop. Oh, this might be a doubler. This might be a doubler. Yep, she is. We have another dream. I can't believe we had doubles in these, but okay. Dream. So we have 2 dreams. Everybody can use lots of dreams. Oh, we have another unicorn. That's number 2. Unicorn number 2. Now, do we have this fairy? I don't think we do. Oh yeah, she's right here. Okay, it is, oops, it is a doubler. So you have that fairy. We have her again. And we have the little hearts. And we have the little hearts again. Alright, there's a book. And next. Let's see who's next. See who's next on our tattoo list. See, the animals are from Pet Shop and the fairies are from Fantasy. by Arcade. Now, I believe if you want some more of these toys, let me see, where do we go from here? Well, you'd think it would say where you're supposed to get more. If you want to get some more. Well, I'll figure out where to go. Send you a link on where you're supposed to go to get more of these tattoos if you want them. But, alright, so let's do our next one here. Oh, another doubler. We have another army guy. And we have dragon number 2. Dragon number 2. Our dolphins. Our dolphins. And our fairy again. And we have our fairy godmother. Okay, next. You get 4 tattoos in each of these. There's 40 tattoos altogether. But there's 40 altogether. There's different ones. Oh, I think we have another doubler. Yep, we have another doubler. And then a kitty. Oh, there's our kitty. And here's our chickie. Another chickie. The sun's going to get in the way again. And we have the iguana. We have another iguana. And 2 more fishies. 2 more fishies. And we got 2 more balls to open. So we've had 2 doubles. 2 sets of doubles. Well, let's see. There's 40 to collect, so hopefully, I know we didn't get them all, but found these at the dollar store, so hopefully we can find some more. It's a collection page, and we have, oh, we have triplies. Yes, we do. Here's another ninja guy. A knight with the armor. So we have a triple stack for this guy with our dragon. Triple stack with our dragon. So I definitely have lots of tattoos. And boom. Boom. And our dolphins. And oh, we only got 1 more to do. We'll put our collection pages back in here. That can go in there. Now, let's get this last guy out. There. And if you want more, you just gotta go to orbtoys.com, orbs.com, orbstoy.com. So orbstoy.com. ORBTOYES. Oh, we have triplies on this one. Alright, so these ones I have triplies. Here's our fairy. We have another heart tattoo. Another heart tattoo. And then we have dream. Dream. Another unicorn. That'd be 3 unicorns that we are going to be able to work with. Alright, my lovelies, so that's all we have for today. So that's our tattoo adventure. So I'm going to figure out what we're going to do with all this. I might just auction them off. I don't know. I'll figure something out to do with them. Anyways, that was fun. I definitely had a few minutes opening that. I love you all. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share so we can spread awareness to help those victims of trauma. And being a survivor, I know how it helps and I know how it feels. And I'd love to give back that feeling that I had received from the one person that helped me. Now I hope you guys all have a great weekend. And I might do some daily videos, like quick little videos, little vlogs, I don't know. Alright, my lovelies, I will talk to you later and have a good day. Love you all. Bye.